obviously, if you're miserable and nothing's working, go get your other medical advice.
Yeah.
And I'm not saying there's not a place for that, but I talked to a functional medicine doctor not too long ago, and she said, I'm willing to prescribe medication to my patients. I just very rarely have to
Yeah.
because we're dealing with the symptoms. And I mean, the roots and not just the symptoms. The symptoms are just a sign of, hey, we need to figure out what the root is. Are you stressed? What's your job like? Are you eating poorly? I mean,
Hmm.
she digs in and gets to the root, which is that's what my doctors do that are overseeing me post cancer is, hey, we're going to look at your labs. We're going to see if there are any roots brewing in there that we need to get with and help. And so, symptoms are just a symptom, just that, just
Sure.
showing us something's gone wrong. And so many just want to go treat that symptom, and that's their first line of defense. And we have not given nature a chance to work.
No.
So
And
that's
we
a
we
big
haven't
time.
asked that question, why? Why do you have that symptom? No one seems to care in at least the
Right.
conventional worlds.
Mhm.
It's just you
Mhm.
have that symptom, who knows? It's genetic, right? That's what we
Oh,
usually
yeah.
throw it. And
Yeah.
here is something to treat that symptom, to subdue
Right.
it, to sweep it under the rug and push it down. But the why
Yes.
is never addressed. That's why
And that
yeah,
yes.
when we
Mhm.
approach it also in that functional, integrative, holistic manner at our clinic, it is we want to know the why. We don't even care so much about the symptom because it will resolve itself when we get to the why. That is the
Exactly.
root, the underlying. And guess what? You can do that in such a natural way, normally,
Mhm.
without having to turn to invasive procedures or pharmacology.
Yes,
So,
yes. That's something that for me going through cancer, the conventional doctors will look you square in the face and say, it was nothing you did. It was
mm,
nothing you did that
mm,
caused your cancer. Do you want to know? Okay, is that supposed to make me feel better? Because it's very defeating.
yeah,
Because if I can't fix it, then I have no control over it. And
absolutely.
that's not okay with me. So that did not sit well with me, but that's what they did. They would look straight at you and say, it was nothing you did. I mean, okay. I feel like it was.
Yeah.
I'd had 35 years of eating like crap, and I've had some things done do, and that was not something I was willing to accept. And
Yeah.
so I got all the cancer books. I got the Chris Beat Cancer and the
Mm.
all the books. And I started reading up, and I was like, this is absolutely something I did, and it's something I can fix and something I can do. I can do something about this, and I'm
That's
ready.
yeah, that's where people sometimes get it wrong, that if you're saying it is something that you're putting blame or that you should be guilty.
No,
No, never see it as that.
no, it's
Because if you could
empowering.
take responsibility, it is empowering, right? You have now the
Yes.
power to get out of it if you got
Right.
into it. If someone's
Yes,
telling you nothing you did,
absolutely.
you'd always be here, it all
That felt
then that's
hopeless.
terrible. That's all right.
Yes.
I have nothing to lean on but this person,
Right.
and they're telling me this is my only option.
Right, and
Surgery,
it felt
drugs, chemo,
hopeless.
right?
It could
Yeah.
come back at any time, and I have 0 control over it. I beg to differ. I
Yeah.
beg to differ.
Oh, it's wonderful that
And
you could push
yeah.
back because many people just say,
Mhm.
"Okay, that's it. Nothing to
Exactly,
do,"
that's so sad.
and
That's a
just
hopeless
dejected.
way.
Yeah,
Mhm.
yeah,
That's
no.
a hard way to live. Yeah, I wasn't okay with that.